In programming, functions are just a block of code that are designed to perform a specific task. Functions are reusable and we can call them anytime we want to perform that task. Let's run this code. There is no output because we have not yet called our function. We just have defined it. To call our function, we'll write the name of the function followed by parentheses. Now, let's run our code. Functions are designed in a way that we do not need to repeat ourselves. If we need to console log hello again, we'll just call our function multiple times. Now, the interesting part comes when we can pass parameters to our function. We can pass a value within the brackets of a function, and while calling that function, we can even pass different values. Let's print the value we have passed, and let us pass different values while calling the function. Now, each time the function is called, the value goes into the parameter that is number, and different numbers will be printed in different calls.